Greetings everybody, it is October 3rd. I wanted to introduce you to my newest addition here. This is going to be a lot of fun. I've driven it around a few times and she rides really nice. Anyways, I found this 50cc gas scooter on Marketplace through Facebook for 450 bucks, and it just needed a new battery, and it's got some cosmetic issues as well. On the front here, you see the panel has seen better days, but it rides like a dream. I drove it and put a new battery in because it needed that. I had to jump start it a couple times, but got a new battery in. Thank you, O'Reilly Auto Parts here in Bath. They were very helpful. They lent me the tools to swap it out and everything because I have like no tools right now. It's got nice little cargo space here. I still have to get some gear like helmet and gloves and that sort of thing. It's going to start getting cold here pretty soon, but I'll fire her up, and she purrs pretty nicely. It's a nice Chinese scooter. It's made by a company called Geely, G-E-E-L-Y, and I think the actual model, this is a 2019 model. And the actual company is Geely Zhengguang out of China. I'm sure I mispronounced that, but it's not a bad looking bike. It's nice and compact. It's considered a motorcycle, but I just call it a scooter because it only goes let's see, it only goes up to 40 miles per hour for 50cc. For the engine, but yeah, pretty impressive little ride. Let me start it up for you. I have it on the kickstand there. So basically, the key's going right here, and turn it on. And then to turn it on, you actually have to use both hands. So you hold the brake here and hit the start button at the same time. So let's do that. Hold on a second. There we go. I got about just under a full tank of gas there. I got some blinkers too, left and right here. I got a nice headlight that's very bright at night, and there's just a simple little display here up top. That's the kill switch to turn it off. This here is the gas, and you'll just drive it around for a second. Do it with one hand. I know it's not safe, but I'm just going to do a circle, kind of show you guys how it sounds and how it looks. Yeah, not bad for 450, huh? Like I said, just needed a new battery and some air in the tires, and she was good to go. Yeah, nice bike. Anyways, let's go ahead and turn it off now. So yeah, that's my little my newest addition, and show you a little bit of the cargo space here in a second. So for the cargo space, I think it's just big enough to hold like a helmet, which I still need to get. And there you go, there's cargo space, and there's even a little clear look into the engine compartment there. But there's your gas right there, and I'm sure I'll be learning more as I go along, because I'd like to know how to do like basic mechanic stuff on this should the need arise. Yeah, not a bad looking bike, scooter. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to introduce you to my my new 50cc Chinese scooter, and I'll let you know how it goes, and we'll definitely be using this for future adventures. See y'all later.